Chat GPT is a language model that uses the GPT generative pre-trained transformer architecture to generate human-like responses to given prompts. It is trained on a large corpus of text data using unsupervised learning techniques, which means that it learns from the patterns and relationships in the data without explicit human supervision. When you interact with Chat GPT, it takes the text of your prompt and uses it to generate a response based on the patterns it has learned from the training data. The model does this by predicting the most likely next word or sequence of words based on the input it has received, and then generating a response accordingly. ChatGPT has been trained on a wide range of text data, including books, articles, and websites, which enables it to generate responses on a wide range of topics. It also has the ability to understand and respond to natural language inputs, which makes it feel more like a human conversation. In summary, ChatGPT works by using a pre-trained language model to generate responses to prompts based on the patterns it has learned from a large corpus of text data.